Hey everyone, welcome to CryptoWeeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Polkadot and its token DOT, and do a AI-based price forecast for the base case, bull case, and the bear case for Polkadot starting September 2023 till April 2024, which is the month of Bitcoin halving, and we'll be using data since August 2020 at a monthly average level. So this is the month when Polkadot was first launched and price was being tracked. So this is the monthly average price mm, that you are seeing on this chart, color coded from dark green, which typically associates with the undervaluation phase, and dark red, which is associated with overvaluation phase. So these color codes are created using historical z-score, which is a metric of how far is the price for a month away from the average price for the entire time series. So for example, in July 2021, with the price monthly average price for Polkadot was at $14.35. The price corresponded really close to the average price. That's why the z-score that you're seeing, the z value on the tooltip, was negative 0.06. That is fairly close to zero. That is 0.06 standard deviation to the downside from the average, as opposed to the overvaluation phases, where in November of 2021 the monthly average price was $44, and the z-score associated was 2.43. That is 2.43 standard deviation away from the mean to the upside. That's why the color code is dark red. Similarly, in December 2022, with the price of about $4.91, the z-score was negative 0.83. The color code was dark green. So this particular crypto, again, since the 2021 bull run, has been making consistently lower lows. So the first time was in July 2022. And then the second one again in December 2022. So there are few altcoins. If you check on the channel, there are few altcoins which have not made a new low in December 2022, but they had the market cycle low in July 22 itself. Polkadot is a special is a typical altcoin in this context, that not only did it have a new low in December 2022, it also was fairly close to that low of $4.91 in, again, made a new low at a monthly average in June 2023. Also, again, in the last months itself, it had a new low of about $4.74. This is not the all-time low, because it was a low, the price was lower than that in October 2020, but this is a new low for the bear market after the bull run. So all the lows, this is like low number one, low number two, lower low number two, and then lower low number three. Now the price is at $4.74 for the last month's average. All-time low is at $4.18. So the question that we asked today is, will the triple bottom or slightly lower lows for the three bottoms, will they hold, or if there is further downside? And we are using AI technique to forecast that price action using historical data. So again, not financial advice, but use of data science and machine learning technique. And we have been tracking this ever since April 2023. The forecasts go back to April 2023. This was the first time when we started tracking the making the forecast for Polkadot on this channel. And so far the forecasts have been more or less accurate. There has been some divergence. You can see the green line. Now that we have more data, that back then we had data till March 2023 when we made this forecast. Now that we are almost at the end of September, we have data till August, so can compare what we forecast and with the actuals that now we are seeing. So you can see that the green line and the blue line, which is the forecast line, were tracking pretty closely till June 2023. Then the bearishness which was forecasted did not quite materialize to the exact magnitude, but we did go ahead and make a new low for the market cycle in June. Again, the now that we are in August, those lines are again converging. So now today we updated the model, and these are the new forecast per the AI model with data up until August of 2023. So let's continue with September. for September, the AI model, this is the base case forecast. uh, I will present the bull and the bear case shortly after this. So the base case, at the base case level for September, the price forecasted is $4.12, which is pretty close to the actual prices that you might see on the price tracking websites such as TradingView, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Right now the token is trading at $4.10. So if you have to compare with the monthly all-time monthly low that was created in October 2020, Polkadot has the dot crypto has made a new low for the all-time low per this per this chart at $4.10. Right now it's trading at $4.10. So again, for September 2023, the forecast was $4.12 at a monthly average level. The lows for this month are lower than $4.12, but let's see what the average price holds in the coming months. I'll make a update to this video about in about couple of months when we have more price action to talk about. For October, per the AI model, uh, and one more thing, if you want to stay updated with those AI based forecasts, please subscribe to our channel and also give this video a like so that you stay updated with those AI based forecasts that we are covering. For October, per the AI model, the base case for October is at $3.92. So again, further newer lows being created, and that trend per the AI model is set to continue till November. As I was saying, for October it has $3.92, and this trend culminates in November. The new lows, new all-time low for a dog per this model is at $3.47, so about $3.50 till November 2023. That's the trend forecasted by the AI model uh, at a base level. December is $3.90, January $4.36, February $4.15, March 4.25, and April $3.65. So the trajectory is at till November, newer lows being formed, $3.50 again, which of which we rally till March and then again test them in April. If that low holds, the November 2023 low holds till April. So that's the base case for dot. I'll talk about the bull case now. Uh, the bull case is, again, as the base case, we on this channel try to summarize all the cryptos in three cases: the base case, the bull case, and the bear case. The bull case requires some sort of a macro bullish environment, and also an environment where risk assets are favored. We like to, even though right now the trend is not bullish, we like to include this scenario just because if there are any uh, changes to the sentiment or major macro movement which change, it's always a good idea to uh, remove the biases in the model and also support what is a theoretical ceiling, that is how high can a particular crypto go in that kind of a short burst to the upside, because as you know that crypto tends to be more and more volatile. So the base case, although has been historically speaking, with about 1 year's worth of experience doing this AI based forecast, has been the most accurate one so far, comparatively, not financial advice, uh, compared to the bull case and the bear case. Base case has tend to be more accurate, although the bull case makes sense to track in certain cases if there is any particular monthly, at a month level, a bullish sentiment for a crypto. So that's why we tend to continue with this forecast. For September, this AI based theoretical ceiling was at $9.59, almost 9.6, you can say $9.6. But we didn't come much close to it. Again, that's just a theoretical ceiling. For October is at $14. For November, again $15, December $15.70, January $15.56. So these particular valuations serve as what significant resistances if the particular if dot token has a rally in store in the later part of the year or early part of 2024. So that's why we make this forecast. So 15.56 for January, 12.26 $12.26 for February, March is at $10, April at $12.80. So that's the trajectory for the theoretical ceiling. So in case we have any bullishness, it depends on when that bullishness occur. These are the ceilings. That's why not only uh, the uh, the hypothesis of it being bullish is important. The second factor is also important, that when it occurs. So if it occurs early, the ceiling has more wiggle room. If it occurs later in the uh, in 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 the time, that is early next year, then it has less wiggle room. So for the remainder of the year, the wiggle room for bullishness is at around $15, but in the next year is around at $10 to $12. So that's what they is essentially forecasting. The opposite of the bull case is the bear case. What could happen if the macro environment is more bearish than now? So a multiplier to the downside. What could be the theoretical floor if let's say the riskier assets get hit even worse? So in that case, per the AI model, in the bear case or the recession case, you can say, um, this is the multiplier to the downside. September was at $3.37. I believe we came close to it, but not breach beyond this. So let's track this in October November time frame. In October, per the I model, the bear case is at $2.50. So if there is a theoretical floor at any daily level or weekly level, this would be your ultimate resistance, sorry, support, below which the price action is very unlikely to go beyond that, per the AI model. Again, not financial advice. For November, the theoretical floor which offers a significant support is at $1.90. So again, as I mentioned, uh, the bearishness, the thesis of bearishness also needs to be multiplied with when that bearishness could materialize, and that's how the floor gets calculated. So for December is at $2.30, for January $2.84, February $3, March $3.50, and April $2.40. So the trajectory for the bear case is at around till November crash, precipitous crash till November, then rally back in December, January to about the same levels that we are currently at, around $3, and then culminate back in April. So I'll just summarize. The base case for DOT is again crashed till about $3.50 till November, and test that out in the halving month to about $3.65. The bull case is, the theoretical ceiling is at $15 for the remainder of year, and $10 to $12 for the next year. The bearish case or the recession case is that the crash till November is again multiplied by almost 50% more downside to about $1.90, and that again goes back to April 2024 with a higher low about $2.50. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to our channel. Also give this video a like and check out the other videos related to altcoins. I have a dedicated playlist for all the altcoins, most of the top 100 altcoins, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum related dedicated AI based forecasts. So hope you like this AI based forecast, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.